And today we did something fun, right? We went and checked out a park. We checked out Cathedral Rock Park. And it was really cool, right?
Yeah, because there was a slide that was big and it was with a tunnel. Okay, it's inside. So you can't even see me.
Okay.
Whoa, it is kind of creepy in here.
You could do it.
I can hear my echo.
Okay.
We don't really both fit in here. Your turn.
Come in.
Sorry.
That's so fast. It was a big slide that had a tunnel. So they have a playground area. They have
And
this,
you can't even see yourself.
yeah, they have the slide that's like enclosed, and then they had a bunch of other slides too, right?
Look, there's even stone rocks up here you climb up.
Cool.
And that's for you to stop right there.
They're pretty fast.
Even a baby playground.
And a baby playground, a smaller playground for the babies. They had a big bridge on the playground.
This is like a bridge right here. Look.
Yeah.
And look. Let me out of here. Let me out of here. Show me how high it
Wow.
is. It's high.
We are so high. Oh, and then the animals were hiding in the tree part of the playground, right? That was fun. So
They
the,
were fake.
yeah, they were fake. So the playground was really cool. Yeah, I like that.
Oh, they're wobbly.
Yeah, they're wobbly. And then we went and we did a little walk around, right? And so we walked some paths. There were some big bridges on the paths, right? Did you like the path part? Yeah, they have a bunch of different paths so you can go as far as you want. We did the short one. Wait for me. But there was this area where there was a bunch of rocks, right? Cool. Be careful.
I can just climb up, but I can't climb down. I can only climb up.
Nice. I liked it. What do you think about this playground? Good or bad? Good. It was a good one, right? Do you give it thumbs up or thumbs down? 1 thumb up or 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Good one. Awesome.
1 thumb down.
For what? You're cuckoo. But it was a great park. I think it would be fun to come back. What do you think?
To the side.
Do you think you want to come back to this park? Yeah, it was good. All right.
To the side.
And then don't forget.
To like and subscribe.
And now it's lunchtime. Bye.